What's the name of this garage? Okay. These are so awesome. These are traction?
Yep.
Nice. Go to 10. The button feels kind of weird.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right, man. Okay, we're gonna go down and get off at 10. I might see what views are from up here.
Okay.
You know I love taking pictures of the Metroplex.
I'll say.
Yeah. There's Molly the bus, Molly the trolley.
Molly the trolley. Yep.
Nice. Now let's switch sides. Is that the indicator bell?
I don't know.
I think it is. That's
Decatur bell.
no indicator bell. Did you hear that ding dong when these switched? I think it actually is.
Really?
Yeah, that's so cool. These are probably one of the nicest parking garage elevators I've ever seen. These are epic, I must say. That's it.